Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. Our very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. And guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So right now, on today's videos are very special. In case you're new here, guys, for the first time watching these videos, please subscribe, comment, share. If you haven't subscribed, guys, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And right now, I'm heading to the Venus construction. So that's my video of today, and then after that we are going to visit my brother. When I'm saying my brother, I mean Mr. Gake. So right now, let's go, guys. Let's go. So that's how my home looks like, and guys, we shall meet on the way. So guys, before I leave, let me mama say hello. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Yeah, that's my African mom. So right now, I'm heading to the Venus construction, and we say hello to my mama, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Be ready to adventure from Nyabohansa and then to the next destination, guys. Guys, I need to remove my jacket right now, and then heading to the Venus construction right here and to see what's going on. I just pull up here from home. Okay, that's my jacket right there, guys. You know, when I'm riding the bike, it's somehow cold. So let's see some work that are going on here. Right now it's reinforcement of the steel bar. Hey, when I'm saying steel bar, I mean this. This man, yo. Simba ishaka kwa kitambo.
Ndio.
Mpaka siku kubomoa.
Mpaka siku ya kubomoa.
Hiyo
kifungua hapo.
Some kg here, guys.
Sasa unarudi juu.
Ama leo hauko ready? Black Mamba.
Ready.
Yes.
Hey guys, this is Black Mamba. Just working at the Venus construction site. Hello Baby Official, thank you for introducing me to your channel. Guys, when you say Hello Baby Official, subscribe. When you say hello, when you say Black Mamba, Black Mamba Black at my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment. Really, even share to the others this video. See the work is going on the Venus construction site. Anyway, how is you?
Me, I'm doing good.
Okay, even once you are doing good, you are just struggling for reinforcement. You can go outside and just have a nature walk. Show them how the work is going.
Okay, guys, Okay, you're welcome. Let me go and see the work that's going on. Charles Kirioba.
Yes.
Yeah, Charles Kirioba.
This is King Charles Kirioba, 254. Yes, we are here at the Venus construction. Now we are at lunch break. Yes.
Okay,
we
guys.
resume the work after a few minutes.
Okay, guys. Okay. Let me go and check the work. Oh. Hey.
Take care.
Whoa. So today we're not going that way. Let me use this ladder here. Check some work. You know. Hey.
This is the work we've been doing here. Yeah.
So you have already finished?
No, not yet.
So this is the first draft.
This is the first.
Ama ingine itakuwa juu. Hapa.
Yeah. Kimbia hapa hivi. Shike na ile mwenzako sasa.
Hii bado si ndio?
Bado.
Sasa D12 D16 ndio zitakimbia juu ma D12.
So data.
Juu. Guys, let me show you technology right now here. I'm telling you guys. So, see right here? It's carved and running up to that way. Look how it's arranged. Me, I want to show you guys how things goes, and this is a huge mega project. Not a joke here, guys, you know, but it's by God's grace. So I need to walk carefully here, and technically, guys, let me show you even here. The moment, look, from down, look. Oh my God. Okay. Things are tight here, you know. So right now, the work they're supposed to, the work they're going on here, it's reinforcement of the steel bar. So this is the first draft, this is the second one. So the second one will be here. So we have like 1, 2. Ha! These are serious work. These are serious work, no jokes. No jokes. Hey,
How is you?
yeah, I'm good. Okay. Hapa nabaki hivyo, si ndio? Hano.
Tunaenda step by step.
Okay. Step by step. Yes. Guys, no pressure at all, you know. Step by step. Babu.
Nakuona mochokoro.
Chuma hizijaisha bado.
Tunaendelea. Bado tunaona tumepiga hatua.
Hey. Sometimes I feel so good, guys. Oh, I see another plumbing, man. Try to imagine from here. Look. And then other side of the back. And then it's running down here. Utakuja ambia jamaa igame akili achana hapo. Njoo uone. So these are real plumbing here. No joke. Muona hapo. Kama ulidhani zegi taziba hapo. Yes, umepaona hapo. Sasa hizi ni za maji. Kwa hizi ni za maji na hakuna.
Zina trap maji kutoka juu.
Sasa kama hizi unaona inakimbia kwenda
hizi sasa ni hizi, unaona hizo ni za waste water from the
roof.
Hand wash.
Oh, kama mabafu wewe.
Bafu. Kuna mikono, sink.
Oh, hizi ni choo.
Hizi ni choo, hizi ni za
bafu.
Bafu na sink.
Okay. This toilet, this washroom and sink. And then, man, it's running. Hey! Imagine those pipes.
It's a grey water.
A grey water.
Yeah, because they are running from sinks.
Hadi zinampatia kazi ngumu sasa.
Sasa natakuja kuzirekebisha. Unaona vile tunaenda kuingisha nini chini. Ilikuwa ameiwekelea juu.
Pasuka.
Force kapasuka. Ndio atakuja.
Okay.
Afungua hapa na bandba.
Yeah, guys. So me, I must show you everything. How things go, how work's supposed to be supposed to be done. And this one is for the water from the rooftop. And then it's running here. Go that way, and then other one would go down. There. This is how Nyabahanse looks like right now here. Okay. Guys, go and check out Dave Jr. on YouTube channel. I appreciate because this mega project have some history. These are my lives transformed from the ground. I can't complain, guys. I can't complain anymore. Morio, baby, I'm good.
Yeah, we are trying to
You tried?
method.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
Back to back.
Back to back. Beautiful flowers, guys, right here. Ya Mungu risaburi na wote mahali. Hii mwezi wa nne wote mtafunga chuma.
Hii wiki. Unaona hii wiki?
That week we are off.
This
Off.
week.
Mm.
Yeah. This week on Thursday.
Si bado kuna chuma zingine mnaweka juu.
Hizo sasa ni rahisi. Hizi ndio ziko na kazi. Hizo ni kutandika tu na kufunga. Kazi.
Na hadi zimejitokeza ndio zitakuwa zinafungwa hapa.
Hii ni ya wapi? Shinda?
Okay guys, they're just tightening the steel bar, so let me go down. And then after that, we're heading to Gake's place to see the work that's supposed to be going on there. So actually for Gake, they will take her mama to see the dream house, how it's coming in good shape. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. Hiyo ni ya msumeno.
We are trying to make a hacksaw.
Axel. That's your babu hizi zeka.
Permanent.
Manual axle. Okay guys, thank you so much for the love and support. So right now I'm heading to Gake's place, so let me wear the jacket and then I want to meet with Gake right now. So there's no need to go with 2 motorbike. You want to use 1 motorbike, and then that's the end of the story. Let's see how the day goes. Okay guys, let me place it my camera here. I need it. Oh my god. But anyway, no pressure at all guys. Let me tight my like. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. So right now, let's meet for the next videos. Wow. Alright guys, today I'm going home, but on my bike get issues here. It's bring problem every time guys. But as soon as I'm going to change a new bike, look, you demolish everything. So it's need 5,000 to be okay right there. Yeah, I'm telling you. You're gonna have to go steering it off my head. Look guys, look, nothing here. So $60 I can finish to make my bike. Oh, these are spanners down here. Hey. Guys, sometimes I feel so crazy when my bike got spoiled. Look, this one have some problem right here, and now we need to put a new lock. Okay. Soon guys, I'm going to have a new bike soon. You will see guys soon, because this one, something else. Maybe I'll buy for credit one, but this one here, it disturbs me every time, you know. There's a mechanic right there, guys. So we are going to use for Gake's bike to go to her mom's place where he was building, guys. Alright guys, so we just over here and we want to put the gas right now here and then going to Mr. Gake's place. Yeah,
It's $1.
$1.
Yeah.
For $1 is enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he doesn't have money to put fuel, so the motorbike can't run. That's gasolina, guys. Hey. Wow. And we're heading with Mr. Gake's mother right now here. Mama Takamba, hello.
Hello.
Yes. Okay. So, should I take control?
You want to ride?
Akili sijaizo hii yako, mrawet endesha train. Una brake sharp? Yeah? Endesha ukifika huko chini yani kara. Okay guys, I want to jump. Mr. Gake on the control. So we left here bus right now in good way. Okay. Right here. Yeah. Heading this way. And today's on Sunday. Should I pass the market? Your mom, she doesn't have too much time. Just pull out. Wow, let's go. Gata gambono kay katika moja. Kana nakasenge na dile. Okay. Pull up. Guys, when you have a motorbike, help us to maneuver around. Yeah. Like for us, we do the maneuvering. Okay. Wow. Today's a calm day, guys. Look at the sun. So there's the police vehicle right there. GK. Let's move. Guys, today's a special visit. One more at a time. Your bike has side mirror, alright? Mine no side mirror, right? Like the local way. Your eyes are side mirror. Lori unakuja tahara baraka. Okay. That's a big bump. When it's painted white car, I'll show you guys. Everyone, it's 1 kilometer or 100 meters. Like this one is a farm. So guys, I'm telling you today's on a market day, it's on Sunday. Let me show you the car. People come from the market, guys. See right there. And in our village we do buying and selling of the car. Also done. for the windy, but I'll keep moving on. Alright guys, so right now we left tarmac. That one there we use the Muram road or the local road, you know, the normal shortcuts. Heading straight, and it's a super green nature area. See guys. Moving. So guys, if you're watching these videos today, it's a special day for me, and oh, look at grasshopper guys, it's on my jacket. Wow, incredible story guys. That's a grasshopper guys, I'm telling you. It's jumped from nowhere and sit on my hand guys. Look, say hello. Say hello guys, this is a great special. Grasshopper jump from here and then sit, look right there. Kuna gari inakuja, mpe nafasi ya kupita. Wow. You know it's a crazy, after years iruka, it can't jump, achana nayo. Look guys. Should I throw this grasshopper away? But let's give the grasshopper special ride across the village. Yes, up to the side. You think it's a joke? It's enjoying the ride, guys. Look. That's a grasshopper. I'm telling you. Hey, wow. Imagine guys, a grasshopper jump from nowhere, sits on my jacket. Look, me, I'm just showing you up to the end. Okay. Maybe Mr. Gake. Yeah. Let's give the grasshopper a ride up to the side.
We got another visitor.
Another visit. We can't complain, guys. Right here is a school. People struggling with goats. Oh my God. Hey. Wow. And also we have Ruto's house. Yeah. When I'm saying Ruto's the house, guys, I mean our president right now. This is a business house. Let's go. So we almost show you that house, guys. Right here. It's a business house. Rental house, I think so. Ah, it looks like a parish. Oh. Oh. But guys, we need improvement and development in our village. So, going to other sides is a market today, and that's where market takes place. Okay guys. You know the grasshopper can't jump. Look.
Keep up, brother.
Let's go. Guys, I wonder the grasshopper can't jump. That's a ride. That's a trend and hatch. Oh. People are doing it. And then this is another tarmac. And then we left this tarmac. Going to the Sabushi or going to the city? Kwani inaga indicate?
Na indicate. Sasa hiyo ndani hapa mtu anaiona.
Okay. Guys, it's a market. Hey, you must be very careful. Heading straight. Kenera kiko.
Kinapunga upepo.
Yes. Kibura nas kinyori kikai. Wow. Guys, if you're watching my videos every day, I was passing here showing you. We have one of the richest guy here. Let me show you guys. See on the side. This is where I reach high. The village. See guys, tall building. Guys, we almost. Black. Almost, guys. My grasshopper is here. See right here? Oh. We give the grasshopper transfer from another village to another village. Okay. It's time to get out from the motorbike. Show people the grasshopper. Just there.
The grasshopper is here.
We give transfer. Okay. Eh. The house is coming. Guys, should I throw this grasshopper or what do you think? Anyway.
Let's enjoy the sunrise.
And then from here up to neighbor hands. Let's just us. Just go away. I meruka itaipata. Okay.
Na mlango hapo tutaweka pillars itainuka sana, lakini tuliona cha kwanza tujenge hivyo, alafu nini hizo kuna hii pillars ya huku na hizo huko nyuma ndio zitafuata. So guys, I'm trying to explain, also translate how the land will be, how the house will be. So there's a segment over here whereby we have not put some steel. This is the front porch. So after we have finished up the house until the rental stage, during the time whereby we'll be doing the tying of the rental, is the time by we'll put these steels over here. Yeah, so that it is.
Turn around.
Perfect and great and fantastic. So here guys, from this other segment, this is the sitting room. This is the sitting room. You can see. Sitting up.
Sit that.
7 seat. 7 seaters ni ile ya watu 7. Kubwa moja ni 2, so 3.
Seti mbili. 7 seater.
Kabati itakuwa wapi?
Kabati itakuwa hapa.
Wapi? Huko kuna dirisha.
Au kuna dirisha?
Kuna dirisha huko.
Kabati inakaa hapa.
Kuna dirisha hapa na kuna dirisha hapa. So guys, actually we're trying to see where maybe the television set will be.
Maybe
so
there.
Whereby I'm telling her that in this other end we have here a window.
Okay.
So we have a window about this other side.
You can put here television. Yeah. Also somebody who is sitting at the dining, they can watch here.
Okay.
Yes.
All let me check where. Maybe.
Kwenye mama wako amesimama hapo tu ndio TV itakuwa.
Hapa.
Okay guys, so that's it is. So here is where the television set will be and its amazing cupboard. So here guys, we're going to put 2 sets whereby is known as a 7-seater. A 7-seater consists of one big one for accommodating 3 people, and another big for accommodating 2 people, and one for accommodating one person each. A total of 7 people, and now it's going to be 2 sets. A set contain of 7 seats. Yeah, so here we have the corridor. In the corridor ya kuenda kwa bedrooms na hapa tuko na dining. So here we have a corridor, guys, for entering this is the dining na hii ni kitchen, hii ni jikoni, hii ni dining. Tulionelea ati kwa open hivyo, like sio vitu zitaweka kuja hapa hivi, kuta space itabaki hapo, ndio atakuwa anapita hapa anaenda jikoni, na mwenye amekaa hapa anatakuwa anaangalia nini inapikwa huko. So guys, I'm trying to explain that this one will put here a dining table whereby it will be towards the end, so that maybe a person can be accessing this way, entering the kitchen to do his amazing cooking, and also the person who is over here, he or she will be seeing what the person who is at the kitchen doing. And also okay, so here we have the
Back door for the
door
kitchen.
for the kitchen, whereby it has its own veranda over here, and it has a pillar.
Why don't you adjust that veranda?
Actually, the veranda we're gonna to adjust it.
Yeah.
We're going to adjust it like coming this way, so that it's like
Hapo tu kwenda mbele.
or like
Go to.
tuongeze kwa namba.
Hey. It's too small, guys. So you need to adjust. Up this side. Maybe fix up. Or somewhere up.
Ndio ile hiyo shape ya nyumba hii.
Eh. Hata ni kadogo
Mbona
mbona.
imesimama?
Eh.
Kama unaonaje?
Iko sawa mpaka hapo hivi.
Hapa hapa.
So guys, we're trying to discuss whereby we said the back porch, we're going to extend it shortly so that we can be able, because for it is a little bit small. Yeah, so that it can bring the shape of the house, because this house is gonna be done the roofing. So actually, if it doesn't do the extending of it, actually maybe it might do the interference of the roofing.
Show your mama. Master bedroom. Okay, guys, just over here. Tell Mr. Geke, show your mama master bedroom.
This is your room, the master bedroom.
Yes. And we need to make our moms to be feel better.
Yeah. So
To enjoy this life.
as you can just see, this is the master bedroom.
Right here.
Yeah, this is the walk-in closet and the bathroom or the washroom. Hii ni choo na bafu.
Songa haram.
Unaona hii ni choo na bafu. Hapa ni penye utakuwa unaweka, hapa ni kama dressing, sehemu ya kuvalia nguo, kubadilisha. Na hapo kutajengo kabati ya kwenda juu hivi. Wardrobe. Za kutunzwa ni nguo. So
And then
hapa
they will have a door.
Yeah, we'll have a door over here. Sasa hii tu itakuwa hapa ni kitanda tu, kitanda yenyewe.
Nawekea mama hata screen.
Labda aka screen ka hapa. Maybe kitanda inaweza kuwa hapa. Hapa labda aka screen kake. Itakuwa hapa. So guys, we're trying to say that maybe her bedding will be towards the end. Maybe a small screen. You know, sometimes guys, there's no sleep. So when there's no sleep,
They need to watch gospel.
yeah, for sure.
Yes.
So that's what it is, and no putting of clothes over here.
Yes.
All the clothes will be over here, the walk-in closet. Yeah. So you go.
Okay.
The same corridor check has got the other side. The other side. This is the room for my sister in room ya Rebecca. In ya Rebecca hapa.
Yes.
Alafu in ya Gibson na babu. Tunaona hii ni kubwa, hii ni ndogo. Hii ni ya wawili, kuna chikwe kubwa, hii kwa ndogo. So I'm trying to explain that this one they're not that the same. You see, they're not the same because this will be accommodating my 2 brothers, and this other one will be accommodating my 1 sister. Alafu hii nyumba ilikuwa inafika hapa. Hapa nilikuwa nafika.
Ndio sasa ziadi na Kim nibaki tunafika hapa.
Ilikuwa planning nyumba ilikuwa inafika hapa. Choo ndio ilikuwa inakuwa hapa. So hicho tukaiweka pande hiyo. So guys, I'm trying to explain that the house was initially reaching over here. So this was the toilet. So this toilet we shifted it to over here. This is the public toilet.
Okay,
whereby-
right here, guys. Let me show you.
Yeah,
Right
whereby
there.
the 2 rooms will be sharing, and maybe
Yes.
someone who is in the living room will be sharing this one. And now here is my here is my master bedroom. So this house has 2 bedroom, 2 master bedroom and 2 single room, 2 bedroom. Whereby this one is mine, and the other one is for my mom. So tuko tumesema mlango itakuwa hapa nyuma hivi. Lakini mafundo wakaniambia mlango hawezi kuwa hapa nyuma kwa sababu choo iko hapa hivi. Tukisema mtaweka mlango huko, kitanda itakuja hapa. Kitanda kikuja hapa, kuna hiyo sasa choo na kitanda hazitakuwa karibu na. So akasema acha kitanda ikae hapa mwisho, tuweke mlango huko. So guys, I'm trying to explain to her that actually the initial plan of this bedroom was we were planning to put here a toilet, but my mason told me the gake actually you can't put over there a door. Let the door be over there so that your beddings can come over this other side. So that's how the house is. Unaionaje?
Iko sawa kabisa.
Yeah, and it's big, guys.
Yeah.
It's big, big, and big. So here you go, guys. Bye bye. Now ndio mlango kutoka. From this other end, we have some bricks over here, whereby the bricks were initially. Nakumbuka ulikuwa umeanza kupiga matofali. Sasa wenye hii matofali tukaisema acha juu tulinunua ingine tukaleta hapa, lakini tukaona gharama ya kuleta hapa ni mingi. Wakasema hata tupige blocks. So guys, I'm trying to explain that she started making some bricks, but after transporting them over here, we calculate the initial, let me say we calculate the price, the transportation, and we say that it's better we come over this other side. It's better than we made ourselves the blocks over here, because tukitengeneza block hapa, kama tumetengeneza block 1000, tutatumia yote 1000. Hapa tulichukuanga matofali 5000, tukaleta ambapo hapo yako kama 4700. So guys, I'm trying to tell her that actually the reason that we say let us go with the blocks is that if we made 1000 blocks, actually those 1000 blocks they're going to be used. But here guys, we brought 5000 bricks and only 4700 they come over here. Maybe at the time by we'll be using them over here, maybe they will be 4500. So that it is. And hapa
Alright guys, thank you so much my beautiful people. So today it's on Sunday, and I want to end my videos in good time. And guys, wherever you are, thank you so much for being supporting me here and there, and I can't take your support for granted. Thank you so much, may God bless you. So we're just over here with my brother, and we struggle together. So I came here to give him company and to share idea, guys. You know, sometimes I learn something new, and then we're on the same ground, you know. So I'm just working for the blocks, but most of the people ask me, why don't you make blocks like for Hello Baby, you know? So for him, choose this one, and for me, choose for other one, you know. And I probably it's similar. Maybe for mine it's expensive, or for him it's expensive. You never know. But we keep flowing the vibe, guys, and let's keep pushing my brother's house. It will be rich in good way. Right now you can see the outlook of the house, and then I give you quick and tour with my brother and her mom. You know, guys, it's good the way you're supporting us. You make our parents to be proud, to be enjoy this life, and then maybe to change our parents from the next step to another step. You know, it's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. So we can't complain anymore, but we say, God, thank you so much for the gift of life. As long as, guys, we are alive, we have both hands, we use our mind wisely, man, that's the best way you can improve our standard living of our life. And on the other side, there's Mr. Gaki grandparents' home or grandfather or grandmother, whichever the case. So that's where they're staying. And yeah, it's good to have both our elderly person or our elderly people who can guide us, you know. Wow, me, these are huge mega projects right here. We can't complain anymore. And guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. But sorry for these videos, it's a short videos. So today I need like not like I need to have a short break, and so to end our weekend. So right now, if you're watching this video from our side, go and subscribe to Gake001. He done an amazing job, including building her mama dream house. So that's the best way you can go, you know. And our mom or our parents, they're one who made us who I am today, outside there, you know, watching our videos. And then by watching our videos, guys, you see at the end of the month we do this step by step. And also let's for my mom how it's coming in good shape. Anytime when I have the material on the ground, I'll start boom. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. So I want to say, guys, bye bye, much greeting.